Chowkihola marjong club along peace and reconciliation po athepi ke pen arnisia pharman mei kepaman po. Lakha ingkoi rapon nilip MSC constituency ke parlo marjong club asahem along monsam lapen kachirap kachitu po athepi ke pen. Jangmi po nipa ingkoi ra isi ani mesen pen mei puchun po. Indo Global Social Service Society Peace Project Coordinator Jackson milik pensi mei charipo. Manpeng alohi amanpen Regional Manager Netaji Basumadari nang chitong. Lapen labangso amei long jumisen alam kithan kimum ponjiatu Reverend Benting Teron Karbi Anglong Peace Forum Chairman lapen ex-executive secretary NKBA lapen non IGSSS along Advisory Peace Project Arpu Klemtenbom anparta Reverend Athangrengma United Christian Forum Chairman Perangkeang lokaning jepon ke monsam ke isi akenang tot lapen monsam le kidolote don rap lapen korte injir ason Chikam Thiksi kido kidam anta ing samjin po lapen ajo kachilang select ningso ninghi anta abidet si aham phang penamar si kanghon kajinso kido chiplang po kido kithak ing samjin po pusi thanpon lapen laso ame longso arlotum committee ingkoi ateki women peace committee atum chitong dun si mesen pen mei pachutpon tokolang sopen pherangke biren hanse report news 7 northeast
Choro parpiglo na tum ini nil tum mailong ke bangpot nili Indo Global Social Service Society along non project ahin langbom is a project man like a peace building project asli labong so project upon nili coordinator is sabse non jambom apen pini labang so achai make kedeng pon like a niltum so me plan niltum lada 2014 an incumbency Indo Global Social Service Society nili bahawarlo mon sama putak kampiang mon sintu mahmomlo lapen pini abake niltum kedamtang 2014 aninka pen non an niltum ke claim kedam larong putak niltum si chimki chathan rapeti sintum chiphalu lapen ke isia bangke peace ahin niltum kado kita make claim nang chi asai sai de asiniltum Indo Global Social Service Society ahin niltum personally like claim kali want niltum a project a true band women peace committees ke form so women peace committees tum ke claim kita si niltum lada nilip habar long setamit niltum rounding ko era hop along with claim niltum bana job si peace activities ke claim kon lo la pen labang so ke claim kon bom bana job si non bom along stame si linkam sam nam long song bolo asila bang so putak isi kecethan chimun siroi je reconciliation ke lage kai ke na me kanang so tum long ning kang sam do ji reconciliation ta mane tum isi kechidia siroi isi kanang so ta pen kidam tang tu som si tum ki bang jilang arni an same so le kem dam ta lo na putak ra lo bang son si kemang bansi ini labang so acai make deng niltum labang so acai make long niltum chimbon advisory committee members atum stamenang chetong lapen niltum regional manager amat stamelang li Guwahati kan wan selang labang so acai make chetong ben the stakeholders mate student organization gaumburas women peace committees lapen ke sona taxi monsam ha claim rapet courting chair tumpen chinki se tham rak se so jai make pini netum ponsi pajut pon koplo
as peace and reconciliation program in here in Marjong Club.
Yeah, IGSS has been working in this Karbianglong for long time since 2012 and we have been working with the different communities so that they can live peacefully and they can coexist peacefully and live together in harmony as we have been living in this land.
So what are the future steps that you are going to take by this NGO, sir?
Our future step is to strengthen the local institution that we have promoted, like Women Peace Committee, bringing together different student organizations, different community together so that they can decide for themselves because they belong to here, they need to live together here and that is the life here, and we hope they will live together forever in this Karbi Anglong as a brotherhood.
As NGOs, what are the success that you have done so far, sir?
As an NGO, we have successfully started here with the relief work, helping different community to support and bounce back there in life. When they lost all their livelihood, we gave them some kind of seed money to start their livelihood, like agriculture. They have started by some shelter, rebuilding the houses that we have done here. And we hope now our future success will be to bring all the community together, and they understand to each other, and they coexist forever in this area.
Kiram Kivang Gijoy KJFan BJP Sarkar pen RCC adolong kekim kirang piponapot ronga sorpen kurwang thu kachuro pajirpo. Lakha inkoirapho nilip MSC constituency ke parlo nilip block asai hempen kachikoi lok adolong kiram tang ningkan ko andoni labang so adolong kavia jok nilip arat kiram kivang kisung hospital kiram anjia phan anta kasik sak ponta non a sarkar pen dolong kekim kirang piponapot ronga sorpen kurwang thu kachuro pajirpo. Towar me lang le abete kang tingkok along ribule lakha pondet seta chok lasonsi sarkar ta nang chilar bom asonsi ASDC penta sarkar chari chalon lo lapen congress aita ningkan ko ani nang chari lo bonta nilip arat lapen inglong arat ka chehilat kedam kebang aki joywan longpon peret lasonsi thekpon lo lasonsi non kido bom BJP a sarkar jokta ningkan plian nang chari pleng et pen nilip arat lapen inglong arat ka chehlat kidam kebang kisung binongpu chini pen mathasi kithir mujot ingchin sangti simen arlong mate RCC adolong kekim japhan abar sai nakipi ponapot non kidobom a sarkar Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM Dr. Tuliram Ronghang MP Horen Singh B MLA Dr. Numol Momen lapen nilip MSC Pavitra Rong piaphan nilip arat hoi pen kachuru mati korwang thu kajerpon lo Lapuson ke papi hup along rikang tingkuk ararapan ke pate ang ponapot kachoro alam the jaipon. Tokolang sopen perang ke biren hanse report News 7 Northeast.